My coworker developed a chronic cough that lasted the entire winter season. She hung her wet laundry on a drying rack in her bedroom every night, releasing gallons of water vapor into the air while she slept. Each morning, her windows were completely soaked, and she simply wiped them down. By February, she noticed her curtains had green streaks that she couldn't wash out, and the wall behind the drying rack had turned a darker shade that she thought was just shadow. Her doctor kept prescribing cough medicine that never worked. When spring arrived and she started drying clothes outside again, the cough disappeared within 2 weeks. She had spent 4 months breathing concentrated moisture and spores from her own routine.